Want to put two videos in one screen on CapCut? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the CapCut app. If you do not have this, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now tap on New Project. Now go ahead and select your first video over here. Then what you want to do is tap on the aspect ratio option. Now select the aspect ratio. I'm going to upload this video on TikTok, so I will select that one. Now what you want to do is tap and hold on the video. Then you want to adjust it. Now I'm going to put this video at the top like this. Now, if you want to put another video on the screen, you want to find the option of overlay. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap add overlay. Then select your second video, tap on add. Now I will adjust this video at the bottom. If you want to put some space between these two videos, you can do that. Otherwise, you can merge it in this way as well. Now in the preview, this video will look something like this. Once you're happy with the result, you want to tap on the export option. And in this way, you can put two videos in one screen, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.